The upcoming 22nd ZANU-PF Annual National People's Conference in Mutare is shaping up to be a tightly controlled affair, with President Emmerson Mnangagwa's administration reportedly sidelining allies of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Salvena mashoko kuda pangwa ine chonkonzi Mnangagwa pangwa ine azobloka Chiwenga si allies from attending the conference. No boss subscribe or like on the bell icon. Chipinda hapa na umoja nyumba mchinsi. The gathering, scheduled for October 13 to 18 at Mutare Polytechnic Pavilion grounds, will reportedly have a sharply reduced number of delegates and a heavy focus on the economy, though critics say the downsizing is a political maneuver rather than a genuine attempt at efficiency. In previous years, the conference drew over 7,000 attendances, but this year it has been cut to roughly 4,000 participants, including foreign delegates and essential service providers. Observers argue that the move is less about streamlining and more about consolidating Mnangagwa's control and limiting dissenting voices within the party. ZANU-PF Director for Information and Publicity Fare Marapira justified the smaller gathering. The party is focused on ensuring that the conference is convened of delegates alone, he said. This ensures that we will focus, not have people milling about during closed plenary sessions. This also ensures that attendees are only composed of the true elected representatives of the people. Critics, however, contended that the true elected representatives phrasing is being used selectively to exclude Chiwenga allies and other internal critics. It's a clear message that only loyalists to Mnangagwa will have a seat at the table, said one political analyst. The so-called streamlining is really about consolidating power and silencing alternative voices within the party. Marapira added that the structure will improve communication between the leadership and grassroots. The message of the grassroots is therefore cascaded up appropriately, and the leadership's responses likewise cascade down and are communicated properly, he said. Opposition figures and party insiders argue that such rhetoric is merely performative, designed to project the illusion of inclusion while concentrating decision-making among Mnangagwa's inner circle. The accreditation process of delegates began earlier this week at the party's Harare headquarters, reportedly under intense scrutiny to ensure only loyal supporters are approved. Lomash Karubuda Pangwaino Chunpakun's Iowa Chiwenga allies Pangwaino Oblogo Kuno attenda the ZANU-PF annual conference. Tuesday mafunguro enyi watu ulipa mzorbe chitko ichi. Na comment section medu, subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.